morning. How's it going? For the record and on the record, I, Young Assembly Locals, a people and sovereign, decree this court of record into session. The law of the case is common law. The law is decreed by the sovereign. You may proceed. Thank you for accommodating me today since last week I was absent. Appreciate it. And I hope we can come to a conclusion today in this matter. Yes, Your Worship, the matter following our information today was responsible for non-conclusion. Family one child will have to come back on another day. Yes, before came to say that it was not here, we managed the warrant of our over four to return the committee. Four things for one committee. Well, I was out of town working on a job, so I've just made sure, because otherwise it was prejudice me to not earn any income at the moment, which is quite difficult. So I made sure and made provision and called Mr. Daniel that we can hopefully do it today, which we've done. And I'm great that I've got the opportunity and be very pleased that we can really bring this to a conclusion. I don't know where the sheriff, if the sheriff brought this alleged charge against me, he's never been here, I think only once. This has been dragging on. I think I've been here about 14 times. And as I think you should have on record an affidavit supporting me by James Large. You also clarified the circumstances that this alleged eviction, where all this case or incident did arise, was unlawful, and that the sheriff acted unlawfully, and that was a whole setup by the police, accusing me of riotous behavior. And if you could simply dismiss the charge, I'll make sure I won't go after the sheriff. I'll leave him alone. Everyone can carry on with their business. Okay. Indeed, Your Worship. On two occasions, what's your request? So the magistrate responds without. And what's the proposed date? Because the previous occasion I was here, there was no reason for any postponement. I think you postponed it for 6 weeks until that was last week, the 30th of July. And I think Ms. Buchner was here on the day. She was also a little bit baffled that it was postponed again, because I could not see any plausible reason. Unless, and it's just a suspicion, this is done on purpose to drag me out here ever and ever again, so it never comes to a conclusion. I can make sure I'm back here on the 8th of September, yes. Postpone the case now to 8th of September. I explained to you, otherwise I warned you about before 8th of September. It's a week, no? Tuesday. Tuesday, 8th of September. Okay. And hopefully we can finally bring this up. Great. Thank you and have a nice day. See you again in September. What is the thing? Might look